Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth at Phoenix Dreams, and I want to talk to you today about EveryPlate. EveryPlate is a value meal kit where you choose from 12 delicious recipes and they deliver the ingredients and you cook the meals. You can choose from 3 to 5 a week. They have a lot of great, delicious choices. They have a mobile app that makes it easy to manage, and it's really affordable, much less expensive than other services. So I got my first kit this week, and I thought I'd show you guys what it's like to use this kit. I did have a bunch of footage of unboxing and prepping ingredients and all that, but I'm an idiot and I lost it. So here's some footage of me melting butter in a pot and adding some onions. Those are diced yellow onion and scallions. Look, I'm not a cooking channel. I if you want like expert cooking advice, go visit Food Wishes or Binging with Babish or something. But this is really easy for the home cook if you're kind of like me, just like a mid-level cook who can follow a recipe and not screw it up too badly. Then you can manage this kit. And here's a shot of me shoving garlic bread in the oven. I promptly burned it, just so you know. So one of the things I really like about this service is when you get your box, you do get pre-printed recipe cards like any other service, and you can save and reuse those. But you can also view the recipe and steps in the website or mobile app when you're deciding which meals you want for the week. So you can go through and pick the ones you think you can handle. If you think grilled tilapia is maybe a little outside your comfort zone, but hey, I can handle a burger, then great. That's perfect. So the recipe I'm making for you today is called cheesy corn bisque. The box did include pretty much everything I need. It's packed with recyclable ice packs and included even the cold ingredients like milk, sour cream, and cream cheese. The only things I needed to have on hand were basic pantry items like salt and pepper, butter, olive oil, and flour. I really only have one small complaint. The recipe could have been broken down into smaller steps, and that would have made it easier to follow. Instead, you have to make sure that you read each step thoroughly before you even start cooking, which we all know Elizabeth isn't going to do. Let's face it. So it was at this point that I realized that I had missed a step and forgotten to add the milk when I was adding the vegetable stock. So I grabbed my kitty corn mug and dumped the milk in. The recipe is pretty flexible. It didn't hurt it in the long run. It was still absolutely delicious. And if you watch in the lower right hand corner, you will see my fluffy cat. There he is. Very fluffy. So much fluff. I really did appreciate how well the box itself was packaged. It was lined with insulation and included recyclable ice packs. The vegetables were all in a separate, smaller cardboard box, and all of the small spice packets and cream cheese and all were in a separate baggie. Everything was still really cold and fresh, even though it may have sat on my porch for maybe half an hour or so before I realized the box was there. So by now, my house smelled amazing. I was almost done. It took like 20 minutes to do this whole recipe, and I just had to finish stirring and get the cheese all melted in. I was so excited. Ta-da! Cheesy corn bisque and burnt garlic bread. Yay! Courtesy of EveryPlate. All right, let me give this a taste here. I added some sour cream and green onions to make it pretty. Oh my God. This stuff is amazing. It's sweet and savory and salty, and I don't even care that I burned the garlic bread. It's delightful. I can't recommend it enough. Okay, so while I enjoy my bisque here, let me just wrap things up. I really do recommend this service. It's affordable, easy to use, and it's the same top quality of more expensive services. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a referral link that I will include in the description box for $20 off your first box. Okay, everyone, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye now.